The light has come to you from Allah. That's the language of the Quran. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. The rahmah to all the worlds has come to you. Bashiran wa naziran wa sirajan muniran. The one who gives the good tidings have come to you. The one who warns you from the punishment of Allah has come to you. The one who is a shining sun has come to you. That is the language of the Quran. So learn the adab of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam from the Quran. So if someone says, Mr. Muhammad has come, that's not the language of the Muslims. That's not the language of the Muslims. When the Muslims spoke about Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how did they come? In the court of the beloved Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they said, Fidaka abi wa ummi ya Rasulullah. That's the language of the Muslims. Ya Rasulullah, my parents be sacrificed upon you. So they'll say that and then talk. Why did they say, my parents be sacrificed on you? Why didn't they say, my life be sacrificed on you? Or my children be sacrificed on you? Actually, in that culture, the parents had the greatest respect. People believed in that culture that they could give their lives for their parents. They could give up their wives and children for parents. So parents were the most respected people in the community. So what was the most respected in their eyes? They said, Ya Rasulullah, my parents are most respected to me, more dearest to me. I sacrifice my parents on you. So that's the adab that Sahab taught us and showed us. You know, when we are relatives with each other, you would not even know about it. So you're very worried about becoming a good namazi, you're very worried about becoming a haji, you're very worried about giving charities, you're very worried about being an honest businessman, you're very worried about having a beautiful character, you're very worried about speaking always the truth. It's very good. These are signs of Muslims. But have you realized the danger? And what have you done about it? Because if you do the slightest insult, even if it's indirectly, to the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, all your good deeds are gone. So on the day of judgment you might be thinking, no, I've done 10 Hajj and 20 Umrahs and I've given few millions in the masjid and I've fed so many poor people and yatim and faqirs and I was always an honest person, did my business according to the Islamic law and never cheated anybody and never shouted at anyone. But you believe that Rasulullah was an ordinary person. Believe me, all that is destroyed. All that is destroyed. I'll prove it to you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, if you raise your voice over the voice of the Nabi, your good deeds are destroyed. That's in the Quran. Who can dispute? If anyone disputes, he is denying the Quran. Okay, tell me, in your community, raising the voice over someone's voice is listed as a crime? You live in this country, tell me. If I speak with a louder voice with Brother Farooq, can he go lay charges against me in the police station? Can he do that? So that means it's not a crime. For every crime you can lay charges. But if I speak with louder voice with you, you cannot charge me.